Lovely lady said, I wish you got the hint when we took your land 500 years ago.
Hello, I am a Filipino. I am not a native American Indian, and I was just in awe and inspired by the calmness of that Indian. I'm sorry, I don't know how to address you. We just know that you're the Native American Indian. That Native American Indian content creator. I'm inspired by his calmness. But as a Filipino, as a colored person, I was deeply offended by that white lady, that Bonnie bitch. I'm sorry. Withdrawn. That lady is the person who commented that is the epitome of evil. They do not feel remorse when the land of others were taken, when they were slaughtered, when they were victimized. She has no remorse. Despite of what happened to their history, that lady continued to insult the work of the Native American Indian. And I'm just annoyed and very I was really angry, to tell you honestly. She's a woman, but I want to punch her face. Now, that's the truth. I'm sorry. That that comment is evil. It is racist. It has no place in this world. It has no remorse. I'm starting to think that she is a liberal bitch. Oh well, I'm sorry for that. And once again, I applaud you, brother, if I may call you brother, for being so calm in your comments and for sharing the history of the jacket that you're building. Please continue to inspire others. Please continue to inspire me. God bless you.